everyone! Welcome back to Talk Through Tales. In today's video, you'll learn 10 useful phrasal verbs through a beautiful short story, The Pigeon's Tale. So, sit back, relax, and listen carefully. At the end, I'll explain each phrasal verb with meaning and examples. Story: The Pigeon's Tale. I live on the roof of an old building in a busy city. Every morning, I wake up before the sun rises and look around for food. People drop crumbs near the tea stalls, so I fly down and pick up tiny pieces of bread. One day, I came across a small injured sparrow. She couldn't fly. I looked after her for a few days, bringing her food and keeping her safe. Slowly, she got better and began to fly again. We became good friends. Together, we used to hang out on telephone wires and watch over the streets below. We saw children going to school, vendors calling out their goods, and cars moving like ants. One afternoon, dark clouds covered the sky. A heavy storm broke out. The wind was strong, and the rain was wild. We quickly flew back to our nest to stay safe. When the storm ended, the city looked fresh and clean. The sparrow chirped happily, and I felt thankful for another beautiful day. Sometimes life in the city is noisy and hard, but I've learned one thing. No matter how strong the storm is, the sky always clears. Now learn all 10 phrasal verbs with their meanings and real-life usage. 1. Wake up, stop sleeping. I wake up early every day. He woke up late and missed the bus. 2. Look around, search or observe. I looked around to find my phone. Tourists looked around the market with curiosity. 3. Fly down, move downward through the air. The bird flew down to drink water. Pigeons often fly down when they see food. 4. Pick up, collect something. I picked up the coins from the floor. She picked up some new words from a movie. 5. Come across, find by chance. I came across an old photo yesterday. She came across a beautiful park while walking. 6. Look after, take care of. I look after my little brother when my parents are out. She looked after the injured bird with love. 7. Get better, recover or improve. He got better after a week of rest. The weather is getting better today. 8. Hang out, spend time together. I hang out with my friends on weekends. Let's hang out at the park after school. 9. Watch over, protect or guard. Parents watch over their children at the playground. The guard watched over the building all night. 10. Break out, start suddenly. A fire broke out in the market last night. When the fight broke out, people ran away. That's the story of The Pigeon's Tale. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. Tell me in the comments, which phrasal verb did you like the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Talk Through Tales for more stories that make English easy and fun.